Hello everyone, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to check Snapchat recently deleted. Let's open our Snapchat app and let's say you deleted something important to you. It could be a snap, it could be a chat box, a message, or a highlight. How can you recover it? Well, you can't really recover it within the app, but there is a way that you can get to see it again. To do that, tap on your profile icon on the top left, and then tap on the gear icon on the top right. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and then click on My Data. Here you can download every bit of data about your account. It can be login info, user profile, public profile, account history, friends history, chat history, story history, anything. So after choosing what you want to download, click Next. And here you can select the time frame of which times data you want. And then click on Submit, and Snapchat will compile all the data and email it to you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.